Hey guys, T here. We're in the kitchen today. I'm gonna make Lacy fried cornbread. It's a great cornbread. It's nice and crispy. You'll love it. We have it with fish or with ham hocks and beans with chili. It only takes a few ingredients. Cornmeal. I like the stone ground kind. A little olive oil, a little salt, a little water. You're ready to roll. So please subscribe. Let's get cooking. So I don't have any real measurements here. So I just pour in some cornmeal. Looks like a pretty good amount. This is yellow cornmeal. I like white as well. And you're gonna mix this up with some water. So there's no real proportions here. I just mix it up until the consistency seems right. It's to be used pretty thin. That's why it's Lacy. And it's going to be thinner than you're going to want to make it. You're going to say, oh, that's too thin. It won't be too thin. So I like to let this sit and then check the consistency, and we'll come back in a couple minutes. So this is set up a little bit. I'm going to add a little salt. Give it a little stir. Put your pan on high heat. Let it heat up. It gets nice and lacy out here. A little too early. Let these cook a little more, let the edges brown a little. Yeah, that's the color we're looking for. Nice and lacy. Have to add a little more oil each time you cook some. Be sure you let it heat up. So there you have it, Lacy cornbread. There's nothing like it. See how lacy it is? Got all these little holes in it. It's just delightful. Nice and crispy. I like crispy things. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Make this recipe. It's just great. See you soon.